Imagine an unseen army, billions strong, battling climate change. These microscopic warriors are healing our planet. Forget movie superheroes, the real champions are microbes. Earth's warming brings extreme weather, all due to greenhouse gases. It's overwhelming, but there's hope. Microorganisms, ancient life forms like bacteria and algae, have amazing tricks to fight this crisis. Let's explore how these smallest heroes offer solutions. CO2 is warming our planet, but microbes are nature's carbon capture experts. For eons, they've pulled CO2 from the air. In soil, a hidden microbial world locks up vast carbon, more than triple what's in the atmosphere, even helping soil particles bind together to protect it. Methane traps over 80 times more heat than CO2. It's from farms, landfills, and more. But nature's methanotrophs eat methane. Scientists use them to cut livestock emissions and in landfill biofilters, turning a problem into potential bioenergy. Microbes are nature's cleanup crew. They tackle oil spills, industrial chemicals, and even degrade plastics with special enzymes. From dirty water to smoggy air, these versatile heroes help restore balance to our polluted planet. Climate change threatens farming, but microbes can help. The soil microbiome naturally fertilizes plants, reducing chemical use. These tiny allies also act as bodyguards, protecting crops from disease and drought for more resilient food production. Using microbes is exciting but complex, so more research is vital. The good news? Global collaboration is growing, with scientists working to unlock microbial potential safely, affordably, and for everyone's benefit. Every hero counts. Stay curious, support the science behind microbial solutions, and share their story. Love Hidden Worlds? Subscribe for more scientific wonders. An invisible microbial world is at work, storing carbon, neutralizing gases, and cleaning pollution. These smallest heroes offer powerful tools against climate change. Partnering with them brings hope and new paths to a healthier planet. If you like this educational video, hit the like button, subscribe to Bio-Nexus, and comment.